Hello everyone, and today we will be talking about the Big Bud 747 tractor. These are made by Diecast Promotions. These are 1/64 scale. They're so big you can't even hardly fit them in the picture frame, but try and do the best I can here. Big Bud, there's been many videos on the actual real tractor itself, so I won't go too in depth, but it was made in 1977 by the Williams brothers. Has a 16v-92 Detroit with 1,472 cubic inches, 24.1 liters, 1,000 gallons of fuel, and has over the years had different horsepower ratings from 760 to 1,100, with a few in between. I thought they're all pretty well the same tractor, just little differences, so I thought I would cover all of them at once. So let's get to talking here. The first one I'm going to show you is, and we're going to go from oldest to newest. This is the oldest with the 760 horsepower. Unlike the other three, it has black stacks. The other three are all chrome. Has a black hood. These, I think, have got to be the most detailed 1/64 tractor on the market. And you might be able to find one or two of these for under $100 now, but I don't think you can. I know I've seen them all north of $100 now. Getting a lot of detail for the money. For example, open up here and you can see the motor with the twin turbos. I don't know. You can actually see the superchargers there on top of the motor, the radiator, the fan, the hoses, and then you got your air cleaners here and here. Cab detailed as well, if you can see in there. I wish the door did open on the cab. I think that would have been a really nice touch. It's just a great toy to add to any collection, actually. Here you can see the detail underneath with the differential front and rear. You can see like the oil pan of the motor and transfer case. On the back, it's nothing really other than just your hitch here. And you got a Big Bud decal there. That's the 760 horsepower. Now, whenever you go to the next one, which is the 900 horsepower version, the wheels are a little bit different color. I don't know if that's just how I got it or if that's how they come. This one is a Williams Brothers edition, as you can see there on the door. Williams Brothers, Big Sandy, Montana. It too has same details as the first one. Just the only differences is you have these chrome pipes and the hood is white. And then you got the lights on the back here. These tires were made by a company in Canada. Originally they're 8 foot tall on the real one. They don't make these tires anymore, which is why you'll see the LSWs on the newest version. Again, if you try to find one of these, it's $100 or more. Here is one of the latest editions with 1100 horsepower. The only difference I can tell is it seems like they used a different paint on the turbos, and on the manifolds going to the turbos it seems to be a little bit of a brighter copper color. Has a warning decal there. Like I said, this is going to be repetitive. A lot of these are still the same. They're all the same pretty much. Just real small minor details changed. On the real big buds, and I know this is on the 525/50s, the toy version, the cab actually folds back where you can look down. I wish these did that. But the only thing you're getting here is the hood that opens up, which is still cool. It's a good tractor. There's that one. And now for the most recent. This thing is just huge. This is the most recent version with the 1400 LSWs, made by Goodyear. The only difference other than the tires from the other one is the decals seem here to be a different color. As you'll see how these are more of a bright red and these are a dark red. And it's the same on the other ones. And then here you got the Big Bud 16v-747. I ordered this from the Williams brothers whenever it was announced, and I decided to go with the signature edition. The box and the tractor both are signed. I believe it was like $125 for this one. I had the other three, so I had to have this one to complete the set, basically. Again, no real differences other than the tires. Something I noticed, this is on 3 of the 4. It's not on the first one, but it's on the other 3. Has a little tank here, like on the new one, but on the oldest one it doesn't have a tank. I don't know what exactly that's for, but I mean, they're all, like I said, they're all the same. There's just real small minor differences until you get to this one, where the decals are all different, the tires are different. So this tractor is back in Montana farming again. It was on display in museums for several years due to the tire manufacturer that made the original tires going bankrupt in 2000. So they couldn't use it anymore because they wouldn't be able to have the tires to replace in case something happened. But now it's back going again in the fields, and if you collect four-wheel drive tractors or just collect anything 1/64, this is a pretty impressive statement piece to have in any kind of collection. Just how much space it takes up. They're definitely a conversation piece for any collection. Whether it's 1/64ths in general, or tractors, or articulated tractors, any kind of collection, would be great for that. And I hope you enjoy the review. And I hope you watch more of my videos.